When 1 second can mean the difference between a close call and a serious injury, your material handling facility needs the most advanced and reliable collision avoidance system available. The Matrix OmniPro Collision Avoidance System adds an extra layer of safety at facilities where workers and mobile equipment work in close proximity. OmniPro uses Matrix's exclusive, award-winning visual artificial intelligence technology to alert forklift operators to people or equipment in blind spots created by the mast or load, or when they are distracted or fatigued. OmniPro is an edge computing system that uses edge detection technology cameras to capture all images in the vehicle's path of travel, while performing high-speed detection, classification, and location analysis. This information is then sent to the hub, which directs the system to alert on zone breaches and activate any installed machine integration functions. The hub stores all captured images and can transmit data by Wi-Fi or cellular LTE. Alerting devices warn the operator of a zone breach with an audible and/or visual alert. The alert devices are positioned to be in the operator's view going forward or in reverse. Unlike many other similar products, OmniPro can identify pedestrians in any posture, including standing sideways, crouching, kneeling, and partial view, as well as people wearing PPE. OmniPro does not require a monitor to operate, but it is available as an option. Other options include machine integration, which slows the vehicle by deactivating the accelerator pedal, and mast height detection, which deactivates the throttle when the mast is raised past a preset height. Each camera can generate up to 5 alerting zones, but most operators create 2, a caution zone, shown in yellow, and an alert zone, shown in red. Zones are customizable to match the facility's unique setup, which also helps reduce false positives and nuisance alerts. All zone breaches are recorded and time-stamped, then stored on the hub. Along with pre-event and post-event image capture, all collected data can be accessed on the system locally for up to 30 days. Wi-Fi or remote access through the OmniPro cloud can be reviewed for an extended period of time. Let's look at how OmniPro helps operators monitor their blind spots. OmniPro only monitors the vehicle's path of travel. The camera evaluates everything in its field of view and sends this information to the hub, which triggers the appropriate operator alert when necessary. When a person enters a yellow caution zone, they are getting uncomfortably close to the vehicle, but a collision is not yet imminent. The hub issues a yellow alert, so the operator knows someone is nearby, and they can take appropriate action. Red zone alerts are the most serious because the pedestrian is now too close to the vehicle and in imminent danger of being hit. The hub activates a red zone alert, which usually is a red light and an audio alert. This tells the operator to immediately stop until they can identify the location of the person. When they are clear of the red zone, the alert will stop and normal operation resumes. Matrix has been in the collision avoidance business since 2008. Our experience, pursuit of constant improvement, and collaboration with customers has allowed us to create powerful collision avoidance technology that minimizes nuisance alerts while maintaining productivity. Elevate your operations safety factor with OmniPro.